Four place numbers. The number 999 is the largest three-place number, or three-digit number. The next number is 1000. This number is a four-place number, or a four-digit number. Let's look at the number 1000. In this, we have 1000, 0 hundreds, 0 tens, and 0 ones. And it's a good idea to put a comma between the thousands and the hundreds column. Same four-place numbers: 1000, 1002, 1009, 2000, 2020, 3040, 5017, 7090, 7006, 9015, 1125, 4356, 2781, 8274, 3056, 9482, 7156, 8095, 1056, 9999. Okay, how many thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones are in this number? Well, again, another way to look at this would be 4,253. We have 4,250 and 3. So we can very easily indicate where we have 4 1000s, 2 hundreds, 5 tens, and 3 ones. Let us combine all four numbers, and we have our 3, our 5, our 2, and our 4. Again, it's very important that we line up the numbers correctly. The ones in the ones column, the tens in the tens column, and the same for the hundreds and the thousands column. So by doing this, we can very easily indicate where this is represented as 4 thousands, 2 hundreds, 5 tens, and 3 ones. And let us not forget that we need to put a comma between our thousands and hundreds column.
I want to stress the importance of knowing how to write numbers. On this whiteboard, I have a check. Here's where you put the date, then the person that you're paying the check to, then you put in the amount over here. Now let's say the amount is $945.40. So you put that in here, $945.40. Now, over here, you have to write this number out. So you write 945, and then you don't have to write the 40 cents there, you just have to do this here. Then you put a scribble mark over there. Now, if you didn't write this number, and you just wrote that number, it's very easy for someone to come along and just put a 1 over here. And change that to $1,945.40. Or if you have enough space, they might put a 9 in there yet. And so you see it's important. But if you write it out, this is $1,945.40, but this is $945. So it's important in writing checks to write out the number and to know how to write out numbers. And then you sign your name over here to authorize it. So unscrupulous people could put different numbers in here. If you got too big of a space, they could put 2 numbers in there. But if you write it out, they can't do that. So that's why it's important to know how to write out numbers. You are looking to purchase 2 riding horses. You pass this place and you see horses for sale. You buy the white one for $1,250 and the black and white one for $1,425. How much do both horses cost? Let's do the math. The white horse cost $1,250. The black and white horse cost $1,425. And the question is, how much do both horses cost? So we have to add this number and this number. So it's 1,250 plus $1,425. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 2 plus 4 is 6. 1 plus 1 is 2. So both horses cost $2,675. Well, let's write out that number. So both horses cost $2,675. So if you had to write a check out, this is the number that you write: $2,675.
Please pause the video now and complete the problems in your workbook. When finished, press play, and we'll continue with the next lesson.